Well, Kansas took a big step forward today to make up for wrongful convictions. Governor Jeff Colyer was in KCK this morning. He signed a bill into law that will compensate people who were wrongfully convicted and spent time in prison. 41 Action News reporter Charlie Keegan tells us why Governor Colyer chose Kansas City, Kansas to sign that bill.
Cynthia, it all has to do with Lamont McIntyre. He's a man from Kansas City, Kansas, who spent 23 years in prison for crimes he did not commit. Well, this church behind me is McIntyre's home parish, Mount Zion Church of God in Christ. So it was inside this church that Governor Jeff Colyer righted the wrong. One of the first things that the governor did inside the church was apologize to McIntyre and then give him a hug. Now, this bill that the governor signed into law, now as a law, actually gives people who are innocent and spent time for wrongfully convicted in prison, gives them $65,000 a year for each year they were in prison on that wrongful conviction. It also gives them other benefits like health care, tuition assistance, housing assistance. This goes on and on. Now, we did talk to McIntyre, and he says, of course, all this will benefit him, but he says he sees the true and most important meaning of the law is that it might prevent a future wrongful conviction.
I hope that this will be one of those safeguards that's in place to make sure that the job get done in a way that it would never be a wrongful conviction. That's my goal, that's my hope, and I think that something good come out of that.
So Kansas is now the 33rd state in the United States to have some sort of wrongful conviction compensation law.